What are attitudes? Attitudes are evaluations or judgments about a person, place, object, or idea. Examples include love, dislike, admiration, and hate. Our attitudes vary in strength along positive and negative dimensions. Here's an illustration of these two dimensions. Positive attitudes are strong and positive. Negative attitudes are strong and negative. Ambivalent attitudes are called dual attitudes. They're strong, and they incorporate a mixture of both positive and negative attitudes. Indifferent attitudes are also a mixture, but they're low in intensity. Attitudes are made up of cognitive, affective, and behavioral components, the ABCs of psychology. People who have a high need for evaluation have strong opinions about certain issues. They tend to view their worlds in more judgmental terms and are more opinionated than people who have a low need for evaluation. Attitudes serve an important function. They allow us to quickly and easily judge whether something we encounter in the world is good or bad, safe or dangerous. Unfortunately, our attitudes are not always accurate reflections of reality. They can lead us to be close-minded and resistant to change. Social psychologists are also interested in implicit attitudes, which are automatically activated from memory without our conscious awareness, especially those related to sensitive or controversial topics. Recall that in the previous lecture, we learned about specific types, implicit racism, and microaggressions. In the next section, you'll learn more about where attitudes come from.